Hello, this is Tina Samuels again with Depravity's Apothecary, and today we're going to be talking about substituting essential oils in your blends. When you're substituting essential oils for aroma use instead of therapeutic use, it's a lot simpler. All you need to do is substitute out of the same essential oil class. You won't have to worry about the therapeutic values of the oils and their usage and things like that. A lot of times you only have a certain number of essential oils on hand, and you'll find a recipe that you might like to use, and you won't have one of the oils that calls for. Instead of running out to the store to buy one, you can usually substitute a few things that you might have on hand. Now, for aromatic essential oil substitution, you need to substitute the essential oil for the same family. These are things like your citruses, your florals, your spices, things like that. Now, essential oil families are usually categorized in things like floral. Floral ones are things like lavender, neroli, jasmine, ones like that. Woodsy, those are your pine, cedar, fir, balsam. Your earthy, which is oat moss, vetiver, patchouli, anything with a good earthy scent. Herbaceous, that's your basil, your rosemary, your marjoram. Usually you're more, what you think of when you think of herbs. Minty, those are things like peppermint, spearmint. There's medicinal. Your medicinals are things like eucalyptus and tea tree. Spicy, that's nutmeg, clove, cinnamon, things like that. Oriental, things like ginger and patchouli. And then you have your citrus, which is things like orange, lemon, lime. There are some substitutions that seem to always work. Some, for example, is substituting lemon for grapefruit, substituting tangerine for sweet orange, substituting neroli for jasmine absolute, lavandin for lavender, spearmint for peppermint, clove for cinnamon, things like that. Just give it a try. If instead of always running out and getting exactly what is called for in the recipe that you find, if you want to play around and anything of the same class is a pretty good starting point. Sometimes you can improve upon the recipe you're trying to do, and you can find some blends that you would not normally want, to do. So always try that first and see how you like them. It's a really easy way to do it, and we hope that you can find many blends in the future that you would love to have in your diffuser.